What's up, everybody? It's your girl TJ here, and I am back with another video. Now, as you can see from the title, it's all about when you guys kind of, when you see those deals or those advertisements for like sneaker boxes from different brands or mystery boxes, you have no idea exactly what's going to be in them, but you pay a certain price, you get your box in the mail, and then you open it and check it out and see what it is. Now, this is part of still some of the Black Friday shopping that I did end of Thanksgiving, right around the holiday, but I'm just now getting it open. Sorry, taking me a minute. But when it comes to these things, I'm always kind of skeptical. I'm not very trusting because I think there is a trap that gets ran where, these brands will, of course, like target different influencers and they'll say, hey, sign up for this or we want to send you this. And they get like the premium boxes, right? They get the boxes that have awesome in terms of style, like sneakers, clothing. It's all the higher end things that you would really want in your box, whether it be Nike, Adidas, or something like that. And then once you, the everyday Joe Schmo, sends off for a subscription to these mystery boxes, you get them in, and you're pretty disappointed about what you may get in your box. Either it's not your style, you just don't like the quality of it, you just don't think it goes well with everything else that you're into. But I wanted to go ahead and take a chance because I absolutely love the creator that went ahead and provided these mystery boxes. And if you don't know, I'll make sure to link his channel below. But Mike the Compass, aka Mike Mitchell, aka ASneakerLife. Now, you guys have to know, if you're into sneakers, who ASneakerLife is. He's actually one of the very first sneaker accounts that I started following, started binging all of his videos. I went way, way back, and I love them. His personality, just the fun that he tries to have, and he's so young, and he is so self-aware of change and everything that he's going through in life as he really figures out doing exactly what he wants to do, whether it's with his actual channel on YouTube, brand deals, and also, finally his own merch with his own line, St. Michael. So hopefully you guys check some of that out. I went ahead and I did the $50 mystery box. Now, there were some items I was really hoping and praying would be in this box because I wanted to get them a while back, but, other things just came up and I wasn't able to go ahead and pull the trigger to purchase them. So, just to tell you, it comes in an actual box, like a mystery box, but when you open it, it does come, you have this bag here, so just a little sling bag with the logo on the front, ASneakerLife. I love that. The very first thing we're going to reach in here and grab, so we got ASneakerLife, we got some bands here, which I think are pretty sweet, right? Throw those on, so we got some bands. What else is in here? Oh, this is dope. Alright, so you guys know, first off, I'm addicted to way too many hoodies. Live in the Midwest, can't blame me. I'm addicted to so many hoodies. Now, this is one thing I love about Mike's approach to the merchandise that he puts out. He always cares about quality. Like, he knows, he'll tell you all the time, he's a person that really loves and respects the quality of items. If he's going to pay money and invest in something, he wants it to last. So he tends to embroider and not just screen print a lot of his clothing, and I absolutely love that. So I got the black hoodie, and this has the name ASneakerLife, and it's embroidered in red, which you guys know I love. I already have the bread 4s, but I'm going to go after them again in 2019 when they re-release, and then the bread 11s I don't have, so I'm definitely going to get those too. But I got a medium now. Typically I do wear a men's small for a lot of things, but I'm always willing to go up to a medium for the little bit of a baggy fit, especially in the winter. So we got one hoodie, guys. I'm not done with this bag. I got something else in here. Oh, I got a ASneakerLife tee. I can never have enough t-shirts either. You hooked me up. You are the real MVP, Mike. So I got a ASneakerLife tee. This is a quality tee. This is a quality tee. I like the stitching. I like that it kind of has that ragline stitching here. And then you already know, Mike, I'm going to be rocking this up in the gym. Come at me, get swole, get big. You already know. Love that he has his other channel started too about his fitness journey. You guys know I'm all about that. So I got a ASneakerLife athletic shirt. Oh, this is dope. This is dope. Now, I'm going to be hoodied out. This is all you guys are going to see me make or rocking in videos. What did I get? I got joggers. Now, I am also a huge Warriors fan. I don't even think Mike knew that, but I'm a huge Warriors fan, so this is going to go so well with all of my Warrior club. Man, listen, lounging in these all day. Let's check the inside, that nice French terry. I'm a fan. I am a fan. Look at that embroidered. So it's all about the details. got a ASneakerLife embroidered on the back. Man, he hooked me up far more than I would have ever imagined. So guys, if you are looking to do, you know, like I said, these sneaker mystery box deals, you need to go ahead and do it with the ASneakerLife. Now, this is the one that I wanted more than anything. Here it is. So, not that I've ever been to Canada, I'm not from Toronto, nothing of that sort, but he put out a hoodie that just stood out to me. Based on all the silhouettes that are on the actual hoodie. It's a homage to kind of Canada and Toronto. So, and hopefully if it looks black or like a little not as dark color on camera, I apologize, but it is a nice rich black. So it says ASneakerLife on the front, and that's embroidered as well. But, right, so the 6 on the back, check it out. So you have maple leaf on the back with the silhouette of the Jordan 4, the Jordan 1, and the Jordan 6 for 416. Now, I own all 3 silhouettes. I love them. The 6 was actually, I think, the first one of the year for 2017 that I picked up. So I love the silhouettes. I mean, you can't go wrong to me with these at all. We all know that the Jordan, next year, 2019, is the year of the Jordan 4. We all understand that. And then you got the Jordan 1, which got in 2018. I felt like they just overdid it in saturation with how many they put out. And then you have the Jordan 6, and I'm looking forward to that retro ring and coming out again as well. So I absolutely love everything, Mike. I can't thank you enough for this dope box. I mean, I feel blessed. This is a great Christmas. This is a great pick-me-up for my week. It really, truly is. And he's got just all the little details, you know, down-packed. I mean, I love it. Got the tag at the bottom, too. So I'm a huge fan. So just to give you guys to see what I all got. So I got the 416 hoodie. I have the joggers here, basketball ASneakerLife joggers, and they do have the Warriors colors. So, you know, after my own heart. We got the athletic tee, which I will be rocking in the gym on the regular. And then I got a black and red stitch ASneakerLife hoodie. So I couldn't be happier with my mystery box. Thank you so much, Mike. Dope quality. I really appreciate it. Always appreciate the content that you're putting out. And the fact that, you know, he does his own thing. He makes sure to he will stick to whatever really is just, you know, flowing with his vibe. And I think more people have to do that. You can't be afraid because it's not what everybody may be feeling or wanting you to do at the time to go against what you really have in your heart. And he's always a positive light. And we all go through those phases in life, man, where you just feel down, you feel low. It's just hard trying to navigate when you're an adult of what needs to be done, but he is doing a great job of it from the growth that I've seen over these past 2 years. He's back home, Colorado. I'm loving these vlogs, loving the fitness vlogs. Can't wait to see new merch that you go ahead and put out as well, so thank you again. Guys, make sure you check out ASneakerLife, check out his page, or check out his channel on here, check out his Instagram page as well. He does dope setups for the branding shots you'll see with all the different shoes and highlighting clothing. So it's great because I think you get to see real actual style there versus just, oh, here's a picture of shoes on feet. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. If so, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure to check out his channel also. And like I said, guys, thanks again. Hope you have a great day. Peace out.